You ever have a moment where you look in the mirror and think, damn, I used to be someone else? Not in a dramatic way, but in a quiet, haunting way. When you were younger, you were fearless. You didn't worry about timelines, opinions, or failure. You just dreamed loudly, freely, boldly. But then life started happening. Someone laughed when you said you wanted to be an astronaut. Someone told you, be realistic. And piece by piece, your fire got replaced with function. They don't tell you that growing up sometimes means shrinking down. You become a version of yourself that's easier to explain to other people. You choose jobs that make sense. You hide parts of yourself to keep the peace, and eventually, you forget what it felt like to dream at full volume. But here's the wildest part. That version of you, the one who used to believe anything was possible, they're still in there, waiting. Let me ask you something. What would happen if, just for a moment, you stopped asking, what do I have to do? And started asking, what would absolutely light me up? Like, really light you up. To the point where you lose track of time. To the point where you forget to check your phone. To the point where you finally remember what it feels like to be you again. You're not stuck, you're just out of practice. Out of practice dreaming. Out of practice listening to yourself. Out of practice trusting that small, stubborn voice in your chest that says, there's more for you than this. I know because I was there. I was going through the motions, checking the boxes, looking successful on paper, but feeling hollow. And one day, I sat alone and asked, if nothing changes, do I actually like where this is going? The answer was no. So I made a decision. Not to blow up my life overnight, not to quit everything and move to Bali, but to take one brave step toward the version of me I lost. And another, and another. Now, every time I feel fear, I take it as a sign that I'm moving in the right direction, because fear is just a signpost. It shows up where your potential lives. So if you're scared, good. That means there's something worth doing on the other side. The world doesn't need a safer version of you. It needs the real you. The one with the weird ideas. The one who asks deeper questions. The one who still remembers how to dream loud. So take the next 5 minutes, turn off your phone, close your eyes, and ask yourself, what if I just went for it?